Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse the Google Chrome as well as the Google Play Store on Realme 10. So first let's try opening any website on our Google Chrome. As you can see, it doesn't work. Next is Google Play Store. Here we can select any app for download, like let's search for Call of Duty, select it and click install, but we can't download it. And to fix all these issues, we'll need to open up our settings, navigate all the way down till you see system settings, enter date and time, and set time automatically. Now if we open our Google Play Store, we can actually install the games and apps. And the same goes with Google Chrome, as we can open any website and it works flawless. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.